Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is English for grade 2. We are learning unit 15. It's a beautiful poem with title My School. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, today under the title of pronunciation skills, we are going to learn about rhyming words. And I have already taught you about rhyming words in your unit 12. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to identify and classify 1 and 2 syllable words that rhyme. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 285. And they say, we hear and we obey. We seek your forgiveness, our Lord, and to you is the final destination. Yes, my dear students, what this verse is telling us, this verse is telling us a characteristic of believer. And what is that? They say we hear and we obey. So whenever there is a command of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we listen to it, we say, yes, we will obey it, right? So this is a manner which Quran is teaching us, all right? Now, my dear students, you tell me what are rhyming words and how do we make rhyming words. We have already learnt about it, so I hope you can easily answer. Pause the video, answer these questions and then come back. Yes, my dear children, was it easy? All right, so rhyming words are words that sound alike. They are made by changing the beginning sound of a word. So rhyming words are the words which sound alike, and if we change their beginning sound, it means their ending sound remains same, so they rhyme. Okay. For example, now you see ending sound for all these words is same, and we keep on adding sound and we make it a word: king, ring, spring. You see, their ending sound is same. King, ring, spring, they are rhyming words, right? Okay, so let's practice it further through an activity. And what the activity is, your teacher will write words on board. Now, teacher will show flashcards having words written on them. Only, teacher, kindly you will stick to 1 or 2 syllable words. Don't go for 3 and 4 syllables, because we are teaching to grade 2. So teacher will ask the students to identify and say rhyming words. How we are going to do? I brought an idea. For example, your teacher has written all these words on board and she shows a word to you, this. Now what you'll do, you'll identify rhyming words for shell from these words and say it. What are the rhyming words? Shell, bell, cell, gel, maybe more. You can make more words, okay? Maybe the next word is jug. So what are the rhyming words for jug? Rug, mug, bug. The third word maybe chin, pin, bin, pin, etc., right? So this is how your teacher will show you word, and you have to identify the rhyming words from the word bank. This is how you are going to complete this activity. So pause the video, enjoy the activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. I hope you enjoyed it. All right. So what you are going to do, you will find a word in the poem that rhymes. This is a word. So find out a word that rhymes with say and write it over here. Okay. This is how you are going to complete this exercise. So pause the video, complete this task in your book, and then come. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? I hope you have done it correctly. Like here, Say is there, and what is the word rhyming with it? Day, say, and day. Did you do it like this? All right. So here is the time for your homework. You will write more rhyming words for the words given in question 4. So say rhymes with day. You can write more words, maybe pay, pray, etc. Right? So this is your homework, and here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. What you are going to do, here is a word given, and you have to find out word which rhymes with it. Okay. So this is how you will complete this worksheet. And what we have learned today, we learned to identify and classify 1 to 2 syllable words that rhyme. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.